Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Linux VPS using SSH config files on Windows step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Linux VPS with SSH access. Open your favorite text editor on Windows, such as Notepad or VS Code. Create a new file and name it config. Navigate to your SSH directory by opening PowerShell or command prompt. Type cd/.ssh and press enter to access the SSH folder. If the config file does not exist, create it using the command new item type file config. Open your newly created config file in your text editor. Add a new entry for your VPS by typing host your_alias. Replace your_alias with a name you'd like to use for your VPS. On the next line, type hostname your_VPS_IP_address. Replace your_VPS_IP_address with the actual IP address of your VPS. Below that, add user your_username. Replace your_username with your SSH username for the VPS. If a specific SSH key is needed, add identity file path_to_your_private_key. Replace path_to_your_private_key with the location of your SSH key file. Once you have entered all the necessary details, save and close the config file. Open PowerShell or command prompt once again. Type SSH your_alias and press enter to establish a connection. You should now be connected to your Linux VPS via SSH. If prompted, enter your password or passphrase for your key. Congratulations, you have successfully connected to your Linux VPS using SSH config files on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.